Hey guys, from Tobolsk at the train station, very Soviet style train station. We experienced the first night in so-called, how do you say that in English, but restroom, let's say, and it was kind of fun experience. You have to pay for everything, like extra services, and it was funny. Nice experience. You can read it on the website. We will write about that. Otherwise, Tobolsk, very nice, small city, a nice Kremlin, but not very busy. Like it was empty city, so kind of weird experience. Cold and not very busy. So, but interesting. So we just spent 2 days here, and now we go further, deeper in Siberia, because we are already in Siberia. And so now we have 30 hours by train to get to Tomsk. So see you in Tomsk, and yeah, hope the weather won't be that cold so quickly, because for now it's okay, like Siberia just with +1 or something like that, so it's rather okay. Bye guys.